So unlike lead acid batteries, again, you're not going to have to worry about maintenance on these. There's no fluids to top up or monitor. You don't have to worry about them spilling in any orientation. And for shipping and safety, these are treated as a non-hazardous battery. So you don't have the concerns that you do with a flooded battery or with a lithium ion battery for shipping these overseas or by air transport as well. So given the longer lifespan, the fact that these are a lot more environmentally friendly, it has a non-corrosive electrolyte inside, even though it does use about 5% of the sulfuric acid initially of a standard battery. Once that's fully charged, that's crystallized, and you actually have a non-corrosive, almost like a clay type electrolyte inside that won't spill. And if the battery was broken, you're not going to cause any toxicity to the environment. So with these, we do recommend them for a variety of uses. And if you'd like any other information, please go to our website at www.azimuthsolar.com, or you can contact us directly. Thank you.